dial up Jordan Fisher. See if this works. All right. Jordan, you there?
What's up, baby?
Hey, man, how are you? How's the quarantine going?
It's going. I think it's been 16 years.
Uh-huh. I'm super excited to be doing this with you.
I'm thrilled to be doing it with you.
My wife loves you. My daughter really loves you.
Oh.
I'd have her come say hello, but she's not here because Target wants us to relax, and that's not very relaxing for me.
I walked into my kitchen, and I don't know how all this happened, but I have a ton of boxes and bags and things here.
I got a box here. There better be a bed in here.
There's this whole distance learning thing going on now, too. How's that experience been for you?
No, it's awful.
Great. What have you been doing to kind of just stay entertained?
Oh, entertained? No. There's no entertainment. There's just feeding them and making sure they're entertained. And then at some point after dark, I get into a bed and then you don't see me for 8 hours, and then it's
Great.
6 a.m. again, and we're doing it all over again.
Well, I think we break up the cycle and we have an us day.
It's been a long year, man. I just want one day. Let's see what we got.
Feels like Christmas morning.
This one's heavy.
What? Okay, well, I guess we're eating a little bit too. I have a NutriBullet in here.
Whoa, that looks cool. I want to open that now. This is a massage roller. I gotta figure out how to use this one.
Oh, I for sure got the smoothie box. I got flax seed, I got black chia seeds, I got super green powder.
This is great.
Oh, is that a robe?
They sent a robe.
Oh, wonderful.
Already I feel relaxed.
I feel like I just came home from Target and said, you know what, I'm gonna have a spa day. But I really just needed milk. Insert fun YouTube POV ad music here. Boom, 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 doo, doo.
Did I put mine on right?
Yours are pretty low. You gotta get it where the bags are.
Hey man, I'm 40, dude. They're dropping on the cheeks. Once we get these on, you wanna try out that NutriBullet?
Oh yeah, dude. I'm super down. It's always time for a smoothie. All right, it feels like it's smoothie time. Oh, you still have your eye masks on.
Right.
Brother, you should probably take those off.
Is there a time limit?
I mean, about 10 minutes or so usually, but at this point, the serum's gonna dry up. You don't want it to get all crusty.
I'll take my chances.
What's kind of your plan of action for smoothie making?
I'm gonna put just about everything in here. And you gotta go ice. Ice gives it that like really cold feel to it, which ice often does. This is the part of the smoothie making where I'm probably gonna cut myself and be humiliated for the rest of the day. All right, now we're gonna try some of this super green powder. I don't know what's in it, but it feels super healthy.
Great.
See, look, the eye mask is kind of coming off on its own. That's how good these are.
I take like all of that extra serum and just rub it in everywhere.
Just put it in the smoothie.
How many scoops of collagen did you put in?
Just one.
Just one? Okay.
Should I put more?
No, I think one feels good.
Now I'm just gonna jam a bunch of spinach in there. I'm ready to fire it up.
Fire it up, baby, let's go!
Do it at the same time? So when did you guys get engaged?
Ellie and I got engaged last May. I don't know what I said. I don't remember many details, but thankfully whatever I said worked because she said yes. Cheers to you. Oh, you're leaving me hanging, dude.
Oh, my man. All right.
There it is.
Yeah, nice little internet cheers.
We have this foot bath. You want to dig into that?
Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna give myself like a 2020 Braveheart sort of
Okay.
war paint.
Okay, let's see it. Yeah. We can't say blood, I don't think, so we'll call it the mud of your enemies.
That's how you put on a mask, right? I'm gonna put my feet in this foot bath. Not bad. This is a relax.
There we go.
Oh yeah, you did it well.
Yeah, it's something.
You're better at this than I am. So you were doing Hamilton in New York.
Yeah.
And then were you also doing Evan Hansen in New York?
That's what I was working on when everything kind of shut down.
Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, we...
Are you just, I don't know if you feel the same way I do. As opposed to being disappointed that it stopped, do you feel just so grateful that you had the opportunity to do those things before all of this sort of happened?
I think that what happened, honestly, Max, was that my fire just... it just shifted. Like the gears shifted and I went, okay, well, all that energy that I was putting into Evan Hansen, now I get to just put all of that into creating and developing and streaming. And that was my saving grace, I think, mentally during this whole thing.
Yeah.
You know?
That feels really healthy. I don't think most people would be able to transfer in the same way you did. You know, I see a lot of people who are disappointed by the things that they may have missed, as opposed to really appreciating the things that we have and we're able to get to do.
How have your kids done during this time?
My 5-year-old son is like, this is his best life. And then my daughter...
Why did some Massachusetts Bay colonists form the new colonies? Okay, well...
I don't know that all of the time spent with mom and dad is something that she's super excited about. Nor is it something that, like, we feel like we need either. So, it's brought Tess and I much closer. We've teamed up and are equally annoyed by our kids.
Great, good. I'm glad to hear that.
This really works.
That is unbelievable. Oh my God, it's just, I can't even explain the sensation.
For sure, something is wrong with my brain after this.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. Look at how it comes, like, that is insane. That is so freaking cool.
Do I look younger? Do I look 39?
Not a day over 39, my friend.
Oh.
All right, Max, Target sent us a few massaging tools. Oh my God, yeah, there's a knot right there. Wow.
2020 is hectic, man. I gotta relax the brain.
I don't think I've ever shown anybody this little routine that I do. If you find yourself like middle of the day, middle of the work day, you're exhausted, whatever.
I'm exhausted every part of the day.
Every part of the
Keep
day,
going.
okay, great. This is gonna refresh you. This is like a cup of coffee and a 20-minute nap, and it only takes a few minutes. You're gonna take a deep breath in through your nose and then let out a shh as you slowly start from the crown of your head and roll all the way down, right, till your fingers touch the floor. So you just keep going down, and all the while you're taking big breaths in through the nose and letting it out on an SH, a shh. And then squat all the way down. And then when you're ready, you'll just roll your hips back up and then slowly roll your back up, continuing to breathe in through the nose and out with an SH, and you'll restack your spine one vertebrae at a time, all the way up.
I don't know that I can get up, Jordan.
Yeah, you know, you're good. Just put that butt up. Get that butt up.
No, I don't know that it wants to go that way.
Yeah, I bet it does. I bet it does. Look at that. Very good. Looking like a yogi. Yeah. Good stuff. You want to get zenned out?
Yes. Jordan, we've had a long day.
It has been a long
exhausted.
day. Yeah.
I'm exhausted from all the relaxation. And I feel like the most appropriate way to end this day is for us to meditate. I'm not very good at meditating. It causes me to fall asleep.
That's a decent meditation to me.
Well, it's also a nap.
Ah.
So I'm gonna start a meditation, and then I want you to continue it, and then I'll continue it, and we'll just go back and forth until we find an appropriate ending. Dear universe, it's been a trying time, but I don't wish to shut the door on this time. I wish to flush it all down the toilet.
The gentle sounds of the whirling of said toilet. I wish to be taken to an ocean of peace and tranquility.
Let that sound of the water be revealed as the flush of a toilet. And all of 2020 just going right down the drain.
Namaste. Amen.
Namaste.
I think it's been a good day.
Yeah, a lot of gratitude for Target, really.
Had a fun little magnetic mask, which I am still kind of blown away by.
That might have been the discovery of the day.
It really is an incredible thing that doesn't scientifically make sense to me, but I'm also not a scientist.
That makes one of us. I feel rejuvenated, fully.
Good. Great. I'm glad. Likewise.
Now I need a nap. All right, man, it was really good seeing you.
Likewise, man. Likewise. Thank you for today.
This was great. If you loved this episode of Let's Target, even if you just liked it, check out Laverne Cox and Tabitha Brown in another episode of Let's Target. Do it.